All right, so next up, let's define the read method of our Crud class, which is the method that takes care of reading data from the database. All right, so this one is quite simple. It doesn't need much explanation. It just takes a SQL statement as a parameter. So let's go ahead and define it. Public function read. So this is the R part of our Crud class name. All right. And it takes a SQL query. And what you want to do is want to prepare the SQL query. SMT is equal to this con prepare, and want to pass the SQL query as a param, and then want to execute the query. Execute, that should be execute, and then this this should be a statement execute, and want to return statements fetch all. All right, okay, so let's quickly test this read method. Back to our test script, we just want to comment everything else out, and from the instance of our Crud class, want to call the read method Crud.read, and want to pass a SQL query. So I'll say select all from posts, and we just want to assign that to a variable. Let's just say results, because this returns results from the DB, and then want to dump the results just for testing purposes. Results dump, and let's go ahead and test that and see what it gives us. Cool, now getting all the records from the post table. All right, so that is the read method of our Crud class, and in the next sections of the course, we're gonna be looking at the update and the delete method of our the update and the delete methods of our Crud class, and I'll see you in the next ones. Bye.